We've been around since 1994. We're 40 years old. We're based in Stillwater, Minnesota, and we have several products. We have 3 products, and we do a great deal of MES services. We are partners with Canary, and we do a great deal of OT cybersecurity, so digital transformation, the operational intelligence, right? So we actually do a great deal of OT cybersecurity. How do we get this data and move this through the system in a secure and safe manner? Our locations are, we're a global company. We're headquarters, as I said before, in Stillwater, Minnesota. We have regional offices in Canada, San Juan, Puerto Rico, Dublin, Ireland, Lyon, France, Mannheim, Germany, Pune, India, and Istanbul, Turkey. We also have projects and offices located all around the world. EIS's expertise is primarily around MES consulting and implementation. Canary, we do installation and training, the migrations, as well as deployment and user adoption. Architecture, system architecture, and of course the cybersecurity. And as you're going to see later today, later in this webinar, is the workflow.
No problem. So it's great to hear that a lot of the folks on the call already have some familiarity with Canary, but for those of you that have never heard of it, maybe this is the first time, I'm going to take you through just a little bit of kind of who we are as a company, but then also, what does the product really do? How does it work? And of course, you're going to see the actual demo here with Kevin in just a moment. But some of our company history is that we've been around since 1985, so that's going to be 40 years next year. To date, we have well over 20,000 installations, and currently the Canary system is used in every industry all around the world in over 70 countries. And the way that we go to market is primarily through our global network of system integrator and distributor partners, of which we have 130. And this really enables us to provide you with support on your projects in your time zone, in your language, and with expertise that really matches the projects that you're in. And then lastly, Canary is owned and operated by our original founders and their families with no outside investment or controlling interests. And this really allows us to have the greatest amount of control over the way that we develop our product and stay responsive to the needs of the market. So having already heard the name Canary several times, just to put it in the most concise nutshell that I can, and this is a bit of a mouthful, but the Canary system really is a time series data management solution that is purpose-built just for industrial automation. And what it does is it enables you to securely collect and store and contextualize and then analyze all of your process data on a single unified platform. And the core of the Canary system is a proprietary NoSQL time series historian database that's incredibly fast, incredibly high performance, really provides you with that